Firstly, I would like to use this opportunity to show our gratitude towards everybody who has helped us in doing this assignment. Our special thanks goes to Mr. Manishpan and our board editor, Mr. Dipankar Sherpa, for showing us support and guidance. Firstly, I would just like to give you all a brief structure of our overall presentation. We'll start off by giving our company credentials. We'll tell you all who we are, what we do, and so on. And moving on, we will identify the issues and requirements, and then provide you all with the relevant recommendations. And then we'll lastly end up with the cost estimate. So, who are we? Who we are? You guys must be wondering who we are. So we are Hope HR Consultancy. We have specialized in human resource management for about 10 years now. Okay. Who are we? We are Hope Consultancy. We are specialized in the field of human resource management, and we have been in this field for about 10 years now. And over this time period, we have worked with a lot of big multinational companies, and just like your company Cafe Expresso, they had faced some similar kind of problems, and we have successfully been able to provide them solutions and help them achieve success. Our vision has always been to satisfy clients by catering to their requirements and achieving outstanding results. Satisfying clients is our main motive. And okay, what we do, we provide human resource management solutions to our clients, which is pretty obvious. We also support businesses in tackling the problems. Like, we have a team of 4, and we have a team we have a team who are an expert, and who are expert advisors, and we give you solutions. Other than human resource, we also specialize in recruitment and conflict management. And another thing is performance management. We will discuss this in the coming slides. As I told you, we have worked with companies. We have worked with companies like Mercury Hotel, Luna Hotel, Airpoint Development, Cafe Royal, and Attic Cafe. Now, talking about our area of specialization. As I told you, we have a team of 4, and our first employee, Pratiksha Nyopane, she's our team leader and our project planner.
One of the largest coffee house production in UK, Cafe Expresso was founded by Stefan Nestor in late 1980s with the vision of creating a premium and continental style cafe in the UK. It has now 550 cafes, and it employs about 3,800 staffs. It is also one of the 18th fastest growing company in the 1990s by a top business magazine. Since 2005, Cafe Espresso has been declining in its market value, and it has also been low. It has also been low in its employees. It is because of certain human resource issues that we have identified. High labor turnover and low pay is one of the most crucial and major issue that we have identified. For a waiter and waitress in UK, in the recent study is 6.03 pounds. So as we know that there are mostly international students and mostly students who are in your company, in your cafe. So low pay is obvious because they do not have proper experience and proper qualification for it. It is just a part-time job for them. So that is why labor turnover and low pay is a major issue in Cafe Espresso. Lack of employee voice and participation. Employee voice can be defined as the way an employee gives his or her view, shares his or her view in an organizational discussion, and participation is where you participate in discussions by giving your views and making major changes in certain decisions. But in Cafe Espresso, the major issue is that there is no proper employee voice. The employees are not motivated so that they participate and give their views. So it is also one of the issue. And the other issue is management structure. Well, management structure is very important in an organization or any organization, and in Cafe Espresso, it is very major because there is no proper management structure, which leads to low pay, which leads to no proper motivation of employees that gives the customer a very good coffee drinking experience. So it is also one of the major issues that is identified by the CEO. The customer feedback is important. Like I said, management structure is very important. Customer feedback is also a part of, like, it is linked with management structure because our management has to focus on a customer feedback. So when customers give you feedback, when they give you certain things like they are not happy with your performance or your services, then it is a function of the management that they have to focus on. But in the terms of Cafe Espresso, this is also not the case, and it is the major issue for failing in the market. Activities that encourages and supports the employee on its performance, and it rewards them. So in terms of Cafe Espresso, this is like not exactly done. The employees are not financially rewarded. And moving on to the recommendation part.
As we have already identified the issues in Cafe Espresso, we Hope HR Consultancy have come up with some solutions as well as recommendation to eradicate these problems. Firstly, we have identified the areas to be focused. The main focus should be recruiting and selection policies, training and development, employee motivation, performance management, and customer. The first point is recruiting and selecting policies. As you all know, employees are a vital part of the organization. Without employees, the organization cannot succeed. So it is very important to have right person at the right place for the right. 64% of the employees are part-time. So we recommend them to change that and offer them from part-time to full permanent job. So this might help to eradicate these problems. Furthermore, we recommend them to use systematic approach which ensures both effectiveness as well as fairness while in recruitment and selection process. We hope consultancy will help them to implement and recruit and select the new and fresh blood from the market. In order to enhance the customer experience, we also will help them to recruit from the local pool of talent so that they will be familiar with the culture. Moving on. The next point is employee motivation. A motivated employee will always give his 100% in the job. Motivating the employee will bring a positive outcome in his or her attitude or performance. Performance-related pay system, which is like if they perform well, they will get their salary according to their performance, which will be fair, and they might be happy, so they might increase their performance. Second is reward management. If someone does a good job, then it is very important to reward them. So when employees at Cafe Espresso will get rewarded for the good job, then they will be obviously motivated. So we Hope HR Consultancy will help to implement this new reward management system there. And furthermore, it is very important to make employee feel the part of the company. So there has been a problem of lack of employee voice in Cafe Espresso. So we recommend to you to take feedbacks from the employees and have monthly sessions so that the employees could feel the part of the company and feel important and give them best. Like the performance management is not appropriate in Cafe Espresso, so we Hope HR Consultancy will recommend and help to implement the performance management cycle. What is performance management? Performance management is systematic and integrated approach. Observe and identify what are the problems, and we plan how we're gonna work. Then act, monitor, and support. Then after we plan, we act, monitor, and support, and after that, lastly, we review, rate, and reward. With doing this, we will help them to motivate them and expect a higher level of communication between the employees and the managers. It also contributes to the effectiveness and reliability of appraisals. Next is training and development. For any organization, it is very essential to train and develop their employees. Training and development not only enhances the skills but also energizes them and increases their motivation. And the trained employees can make new range of products. Last but not the least, customers. Without customer, an organization does not exist. So it is very important to focus on customer as well. So first recommendation would be customer feedback system. We will help them to implement the customer feedback system and give importance to that and work according to it. So this will help to bring a satisfaction in the customer. And next would be increase the range of products. So we will help them to increase the range of products with certain barista trainings and all, hospitality and ambience. We will help them to implement, we will help them to redecoration, and training of the employees will also help to create a good ambience. And lastly, involving CSR activities. Now the cost plan and project detail will explain that.
You have the cost estimation here. You have different activities in cost. First one is meeting the CEO of Cafe Espresso. It's 1 day, so per rate is 500, so total will be 500. Second, training and development is for 3 days, so per day it will be 500, and for 3 days it is 1500 pound. And recruitment and selection policy 5 days, and per day is 1000. For 5 days it will be 5000. And administrative expenses is 1 day, so for 1 day is 500. Internal policy review is for 2 days, and for 1 day it is 1000. So for 2 days it will be 2000. Presenting on final say for CE is for 1 day it is 3000. So the total will be 3000. So all together, adding all this, total amount is 12,500. So for next is project planning. We have planned different projects here. So total will be 13 days. We divide those project plan. So meeting with the senior management is just for 1 day, and training and development is for 3 days. Recruitment and selection policy is for 5 days, and administrative expenses is 1 day. Internal policy review, it is 2 days, and presentation on the final say.
Well, you've all noticed how we've highlighted the identified issues. We provided relevant recommendations and also the cost estimate. So the above recommendations has turned out to be a success because it has been tried out with other top companies. And so, Cafe Espresso members do not have to have any second thoughts on that. We've also bagged the award for the most innovative HR consultancy for 2014. So that's one of our strong points. Well, to conclude, we've had a good history of helping our clients to the path of success. So please select us. And with our highly skilled team, we will work with the company and we'll guide you every step of the way. So we'll be like companion to you. So feel free to do that. And lastly, be wise and choose hope. Thank you.